love it when you come to see my videos. You want to see? This is my grandpa's hookah. Just imagine their life. Our life is very fast. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Box, where we do very simple and easy dishes to match to this fast life. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to press the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. If you feel there are people who want to learn this dish, please do share this video with them. I'll be so happy. In the comment section, please write whatever you want to discuss with me, and very importantly, if you feel this dish can be made more interesting in some other way, please discuss that with me. I would love to learn it from you. So let's not waste time. Let's quickly rush to the kitchen. We are going to learn this coriander chutney. It's so simple and easy. You can have it with any kind of fries and pakoras. I even have it with French fries. Have it with parathas and rice as well. It will stay fresh for complete 5 days if you keep them in the refrigerator. Let's quickly check out the ingredients. Some fresh coriander leaves, as fresh as possible. Lemon, 1 big lemon. Then curd. Sugar, as per your taste. Some salt. Some moida or all-purpose flour. Garlic. And grated ginger. Now quickly check out the process. Cut all the roots of the coriander herbs. Not a single root should go into the chutney. Be very careful. Do it individually. As far as the quantity and the proportion of the ingredients are concerned, I'll give you a list later. Now people prefer not giving the stems, but I do insist on giving the stems because the best flavors are all intact in the stems. So cut them into very small pieces. See how I am chopping them so that there are no long fibers in the chutney. Yes, now go ahead in chopping the leaves. Now when you go towards the head, then you can make big pieces like this. It doesn't matter because we are going to blend them all. Now gather all the chopped coriander leaves in a blending jar. And then grate the ginger from the top. Try to do as fine grating as possible. That will help to blend better. Cut the head of a garlic pod and press with the knife. See how easy it is to take out the skin of the garlic pods. Just pull it from behind and the whole skin will come out. Yes, now we are going to make fine slices of this garlic as well. So press the garlic and then slice. It becomes very smooth and chopping becomes very easy. Now put them in the jar. Take the lemon, cut it half and then squeeze the juice into the jar. We are taking everything in the jar only, directly. Oops, I just dropped a seed. I'll just take it out. Yes, now add salt as per your taste. Then take sugar. Add some sugar into the ingredients jar and pour in the curd. And finally, some all-purpose flour or maida. This is to bind the chutney together with the juices that will come out from the leaves and the curd and the lemon juice and salt going into it. A lot of extra water will come out. So that is restricted with this maida. Now blend them all and make a smooth paste. See, our chutney is ready. It's just a 10 minutes affair. And this chutney is awesome. Have it with any kind of pakoras or fries. I have them with parathas. Take them out and serve. As I mentioned earlier that I'll give you the list of ingredients later. Take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to this when you are making it. The chutney is ready to be served. Do some good decorations. I always believe in the presentation. Any simple food presented well makes a lot of difference. Take care of yourself. make this chutney. In the comment section, write how your family enjoyed. Bye.